What's up, everyone? We're Griff and Alyssa, and this is day 2 of our cruise on the Disney Wish. Stay tuned because we have some very important things to show you today, like Castaway Cay, the new Oceaneer Club,
Man, to be a kid again. I want to play in here.
the new Aquamouse, and some really cool places to eat like Marceline's Market and 1920.
Oh, wow.
That looks good.
Good morning, everybody. It is day 2 of our cruise, and we are in Marceline's. Now, this place is really cool. Lots of different food options. The decor in here is so nice. I really enjoy it, guys. Everyone, you're really gonna enjoy the new options. Also, check out the new hand washing station in the front. Pretty cool, right?
So there are 6 sections here in the market, and each section is just like a little food stand. So there's a spot for continental breakfast, there's a spot for pancakes, there's a spot for cereals, there's a spot for omelets, fresh fruit, all the things. So if you know what you want, you just kind of go to those little stations and they hand you a plate of what you want.
What'd you get?
I got some mushrooms. These potatoes look really good. Hash brown, fan favorite of mine. Some fruit. I got a pretty donut, which is very unusual for me, but it looked really cool. So I thought I had to try it. Croissant, and then I ordered an omelet.
Now, before we head out to Castaway Cay, let's check out the Oceaneer Club.
Welcome to the Oceaneer Club.
You guys, these are actually bathrooms in here. They have characters all around the walls. Can we name them all? Who's that? Who's that? I genuinely don't know who this is. Coco, Finding Nemo, Monstars, Toy Story. I'm guessing this is Star Wars. Who's this one?
I think it's Wally.
Wally.
I was like, I have no idea what that is. I think. That would make sense.
Okay.
Did you see how tiny these toilets are?
That is a tiny toilet. That's a tiny loo.
Tiny leaf. Oh, so cute.
So this area is for ages 3 through 12, and 3 you have to be potty trained.
Correct.
You have to be potty trained.
Okay.
But they have all these cool hand washing stations, everybody. Let's go keep exploring. And this is the Star Wars cargo bay. Now it's only for kids, but it feels really cool to finally have the opportunity to see this. Guys, Chewbacca's here. This is a childhood dream. I'm so jealous of you. This is just so cool because it really feels like I'm in a Star Wars movie. You guys have outdone yourselves again.
Man, to be a kid again. I want to play in here.
Me too.
Cool.
Here's where you'll be able to scan your magic band and create your own superhero suit. This is Walt Disney Imagineering for the kids. This is gonna be super fun. This is where they can cook and do illustrations and learn about Imagineering, and soon they can get ready to build their own roller coaster. Now, let's look at It's a Small World nursery for 6 months to 3 years old. It is so adorable in here. 10-10 adorable, 11-10 adorable. Oh gosh. Check that out, guys. Oh, that's adorable. So this room has cool little magic buttons they can play.
I love it.
Train up top, guys. So how are you enjoying your cruise so far?
I am loving it. I mean, we've only been on board literally for less than 24 hours, and I can't wait to book another cruise on the Disney Wish.
Oh yeah, she's already gonna be looking. Okay everyone, I think it's time to go check out Castaway Cay, Disney's private island. Guys, we are at Castaway Cay and the weather is fantastic. There's a Shira colada or something like that. It's got like pineapple juice, coconut water, a little bit of rum. You know, I might get that a little bit later, but look at the weather. It's so fantastic.
To reconcile with the angry beast in a crowded space. No.
Hey,
Oh, hello there.
what are you doing?
Resting.
So guys, we have been just relaxing here at Castaway Cay and it feels so good. We had lunch already. It was fantastic. But the weather is just so amazing. Look at this, guys. It's beginning to get a little hot, so we decided to cool off the only way we know how.
And now we're about to ride the highly anticipated first attraction at sea, the Aqua Mouse.
Aqua Mouse is so much fun, and I can't wait for you to try it. But now, it's time for a dinner and a show.
This painting, guys, these art pieces are just incredible. You can see the other ships they have in the background, and then you have the new Wish right here. I love this ship so much.
The Walt Disney Theater is where you'll watch all the award-winning Broadway shows. And if you love food, wait till you see 1923. But more on that later.
Oh, thank you. A wishing one.
So right now, we're at 1923. It's the newest restaurant. They have two sides to this restaurant. There's the Roy Disney side and the Walt Disney side. And it's all inspired by California cuisine. And so far, everything looks pretty delicious. So I'm just gonna eat the dinner, tell you guys what the flavors taste like, and if any of this information is helpful, please consider smashing the thumbs up button. That way YouTube knows this video is actually legit and should be on the internet.
How was that, baby?
It was pretty good, you know?
I can't remember what this is.
I was going to ask you too. I don't remember what it was either.
Is that the confit?
Ah, confit. All right, guys, this is the confit. Gonna cut into it. Little cross section. Oh, that looks good. All right.
It is delicious. It's like shredded duck with like candied fruit. It's really delicious.
Next up is the ahi tuna, and it looks amazing. This is delicious. It's a black sesame brittle, oyster mushrooms, yuzu mayo, wasabi, and you said what pickled root?
Pickled lotus root.
This is a pickled lotus root, and then obviously the ahi seared tuna.
It's good, and I appreciate the color, the uniqueness, the creativity. Thank you. This is good.
I'm glad you like it.
I've never tried some of these things like that before, and this is really, really good. All right, so what are you thinking so far? Oh, you're yawning. You're yawning. I didn't catch that. I wasn't looking at you. All right, baby. What do you think about 1923 so far?
I really like the decor in here, and we had the appetizer, right? And it was very good. But I'm interested in the main course because these flavors look like they're going to be good, right?
Food. Nummy num num.
Oh, wow.
Ooh, that looks good.
Told you I should answer.
Oh, yes. Your spoon.
Dinner was amazing. I think this was my favorite spot so far. But we still have to try Avengers. But till then, we'll see you in the next one.